He's trying to do, what do you call that fishing?
Casting.
Fly fishing.
Kaliit naman anak ko sa'yo.
He caught one, but it's small.
You wanna keep it?
No.
Pangat.
No, gawin mo big.
Return it. It's too small. Return it.
Do you need the nail cutter?
Ay, meron ako nail cutter sa Airbnb. Di mo kinuha.
Can you throw it? It's okay, just touch it.
Throw it.
On the left, right there. Hold it tight. Okay, throw.
Throw 1, 2, 3. Goodbye, fish.
Kawawa naman, hilo.
Still alive.
Naglangoy ba?
Yep.
Here. How did you do that?
Gusto pa ni mamang mag-kayak, Jennifer.
Cut the line. But he's gonna cut his bag.
Wala, umalis na yung isang malaki.